Welcome to DSV Travel Trip. Today, we're diving into one of the most dreamlike destinations on Earth, a place that seems to belong to another world entirely. Get ready for magical landscapes, hidden underground cities, and skies filled with colorful hot air balloons. This is Cappadocia, a land that blends natural wonder with human history in ways few other places can match.
Located in central Turkey, Cappadocia stretches across the provinces of Nevşehir, Kayseri, Aksaray, and Niğde. The region is famous for its surreal landscapes shaped by volcanic eruptions and erosion over thousands of years. Towering rock formations, known as fairy chimneys, dominate the scenery, while valleys carved by wind and water create a natural playground for explorers and photographers alike.
Beyond its unusual topography, Cappadocia is steeped in history. From ancient cave dwellings carved into soft volcanic rock to Byzantine churches hidden underground, every corner tells a story. Travelers here don't just look at scenery, they step into a timeline that stretches from prehistoric settlements to the Silk Road era and beyond, creating an unforgettable connection to the past.
Before we go deeper into Cappadocia's wonders, make sure to subscribe to DSV Travel Trip and hit the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss our weekly travel explorations from around the globe. And if you enjoy discovering hidden gems and unique destinations, don't forget to like this video. It really helps support the channel and keeps our adventures going.
One of Cappadocia's most iconic experiences is the hot air balloon ride. At sunrise, hundreds of balloons take off simultaneously, floating above valleys and rock formations painted by soft morning light. The sight is breathtaking from the ground, but from the basket itself, the view feels surreal, like drifting inside a dreamscape made of color and silence.
Goreme, often considered the heart of Cappadocia, is a great base for visitors. This small town is surrounded by dramatic landscapes and filled with cave hotels that turn a stay into a unique adventure. Instead of traditional rooms, you'll sleep inside rock-carved chambers, often decorated with traditional Turkish textiles and offering modern comforts hidden within ancient walls.
The Goreme Open Air Museum is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must-see. Here, you'll discover rock-cut churches, chapels, and monasteries decorated with centuries-old frescoes. Many of the paintings still retain their vibrant colors, depicting biblical scenes that offer insight into the spiritual life of Byzantine monks who once sought refuge in Cappadocia's caves.
For those who love hiking, Cappadocia offers countless valleys to explore. Love Valley, famous for its phallic rock formations, provides both humor and natural beauty. Rose Valley, named after its pinkish hues at sunset, is a favorite among photographers. Each valley tells a different geological story, shaped by time and weather into formations that almost seem sculpted by hand.
Underground cities are another highlight. Derinkuyu and Kaymakli are two of the largest, descending multiple levels beneath the surface. These subterranean labyrinths once sheltered entire communities, complete with kitchens, storage rooms, stables, and even chapels. Built to protect inhabitants from invasions, they showcase remarkable engineering and provide a window into the resilience of ancient civilizations.
Yukasar Castle is the highest point in Cappadocia and offers panoramic views of the entire region. This natural rock citadel was carved into a mountain and used as a fortress for centuries. Climbing to the top rewards travelers with sweeping vistas, especially beautiful at sunset when the valleys glow in shades of gold and red.
Avanos, a town along the Kızılırmak River, is known for its pottery traditions dating back thousands of years. Local artisans continue to shape clay into intricate works of art, and many workshops allow visitors to try the craft themselves. Bringing home a handmade ceramic piece is a tangible way to remember the textures and traditions of Cappadocia.
Food lovers won't be disappointed either. Cappadocia is home to distinctive Anatolian cuisine, including clay pot stews called testi kebabs, which are slow-cooked and cracked open at the table. Traditional Turkish breakfast spreads, fragrant with olives, cheeses, honey, and fresh bread, are another highlight. Dining here feels both authentic and comforting, rooted in centuries-old traditions.
Cappadocia isn't just about history, it's also about culture. Local festivals bring color and music to the valleys, featuring folk dances, regional crafts, and traditional music. Attending one of these events offers travelers a chance to connect with the local spirit and experience the warmth of Turkish hospitality firsthand.
Adventure seekers will also find plenty to do. Beyond balloon rides and hiking, Cappadocia offers horseback riding, mountain biking, and even ATV tours through the rugged terrain. Exploring the valleys on horseback, known as the land of beautiful horses, adds a romantic, old-world feel to the journey, connecting travelers with the region's timeless character.
When the sun sets, Cappadocia doesn't fall asleep, it transforms. Away from city lights, the skies open to reveal a dazzling canvas of stars. Many travelers gather around campfires or join guided night tours to witness constellations shining as brightly as they did billions of years ago. The unique rock formations become silent silhouettes under the moonlight, creating an atmosphere both mystical and timeless. For astrophotographers, this is a rare opportunity, capturing balloons, valleys, and fairy chimneys framed by the Milky Way itself. Experiencing Cappadocia by night adds an entirely new dimension to its magic, quiet, contemplative, and unforgettable. For those who love photography, Cappadocia is a paradise. Every hour of the day paints the valleys in different colors, from the soft glow of dawn to the fiery sunsets that set the rocks ablaze. Many travelers say it's impossible to take a bad photo here. Every frame looks like a postcard waiting to be sent.
Cappadocia's spiritual side is equally captivating. Hidden monasteries and cave churches reveal a history of early Christianity, where monks once lived in isolation and devoted their lives to prayer. Walking through these quiet spaces gives visitors a sense of serenity, as if the walls themselves still carry whispers of devotion from centuries past.
Evenings in Cappadocia hold their own charm. Many travelers gather at rooftop terraces to watch the balloons land at dusk or to enjoy traditional Turkish tea under starlit skies. The region's clear night skies are perfect for stargazing, adding another layer of magic to days already filled with wonder.
If you're visiting in winter, Cappadocia transforms yet again. Snow dusts the fairy chimneys and valleys, creating a scene straight out of a fairy tale. Balloon rides still take off in the crisp morning air, but with fewer tourists around, the region feels quieter and even more enchanting than usual.
Accessibility is easier than many travelers expect. Cappadocia is well connected by domestic flights from Istanbul and Ankara, with shuttle services to Goreme and surrounding towns. Once here, most attractions are close enough for day trips, and guided tours make it easy to explore without missing hidden gems scattered across the valleys.
Cappadocia isn't just a destination, it's an experience that lingers in memory long after you've returned home. From floating above valleys in a hot air balloon to wandering through ancient underground cities, every moment feels like stepping into a storybook. Thanks for joining us on DSV Travel Trip. Don't forget to subscribe for more journeys across the world, and until next time, keep traveling, keep dreaming, and keep exploring.